Hello everyone, my name is Jenny Patel and today we will continue we will finish our portfolio website in this tutorial. So first, come to your Elementor WordPress Elementor editor. So we can start editing our portfolio website and in a new tab, open your portfolio website to see the changes what you are making in it. So last time we have completed almost our portfolio website and in this video we will completely finished our portfolio. So we have the Elementor editor is open and now what we'll work on, we'll see that how much our website is responsive or we can say mobile friendly. So when you see in the bottom left corner, then you will find a responsive mode here at the left side of the preview changes button. So click on it and what will happen? This navigation bar at the upside will open. What will describe? There are three types of devices. One is the desktop, second is the tablet, and third one is the mobile. Like first here our desktop. In desktop mode, almost our website is perfect looking, and and now let's see in the tablet mode. And in tablet mode also it is quite perfect. And now it's time to see in mobile. So in mobile, some of the things we have to change, like this image, it's too big. So we have to change this image and the rest of the things are perfect. So what we'll do first, we will align this icon in the mobile friendly way. So what we'll do, we will click on any icon and when you have to click on any icon and open this editor and after that click on advanced and here you will find on width section. So here you have to select inline auto. What will do this? It will decrease the length of this icon. Like LinkedIn is taking the complete 100% width, but Twitter is not. Why? Because we have changed the width that is inline. And like this will convert all of the icons in inline. So click on the LinkedIn icon and after that go to advanced and go to width and in the drop down select inline, the third one option. And see what happens. These two icons comes in the line, means in line. So in next icon also we will do the same thing. Click on it, go to advanced, width, inline, set to inline, and in Instagram also. Like this, we have converted all the icons in an inline format. Uh, this last icon is coming very much bottom. So what we'll do? So here it's only in my PC. So if we is there, if it's in not showing in your PC, then you don't need to make changes. So I am increasing the uh, I am increasing the margin. First deselect all and increase the margin till it's aligned at the same place. So I think we have aligned it properly, all of the icons. So now click on this column. So now we will edit our column here. click on it, and here you will get the complete editor. So here is the option of vertical align. Vertical align is set to middle, and we will set it to we will not change it. And at the horizontal align, it is center. We will change it to space evenly. Change it to space evenly, so it will looks like this. It will give the same space to every icon. And now click on update to update the site. So I think all of the icons is perfectly aligned, and don't make any further changes. So I think I have completed our first responsiveness, and see that this will not change in our desktop. In desktop, in desktop view, it will be same as earlier, and in tablet also it will be same. It will be only changed in our mobile menu. So don't take any concerns, because it is only applicable on mobile. So now what we'll do, our this title that I am joining for this, it's very too big in this mobile view. So we will decrease it. So you have already know how to change the size of a text. We have to click on it and go to styles, then typography, and decrease the text you want. You can set the size that you want. So now we have adjusted it. After that, all the things are perfect. Just now we have to change this image. I click on it and see what things we can do. Like if we decrease its size, still it's not looking good. So set it to as it is. Just go to advanced mode, click on advanced, and here you will find an option responsive. Responsive, click on it, and you will get here 3 options: hide on desktop, hide on tablet, hide on mobile phone. So here I will click on hide and update the section. So now what will happen? Now come to your portfolio website. First update your website, and then right click and select the last option, that is inspect. So now we can see our website in a mobile view. So see here, the image which we have added here, it is not showing in our website link. Why? Because we have clicked on hide mobile footprint. So it is hide it from our mobile view. So this makes our website responsive and good looking. So you have also to do this if you want to make your website responsive. So I think all of the changes that we have made, and our website is completely responsive now. So what we'll do now, we have a remaining section that we have to create. So we will click on plus icon here to add a section. Select the complete width for it, and here we will add a text editor, and here we will write our name, and align this title at center like this. So it is our navigation. Here you can also write like this as my earlier portfolio. as my own portfolio. So it is my real portfolio. Here I have used this header to showcase my YouTube channel, also showcasing my work and insight on my YouTube channel. Like this title, you can add in your portfolio as a header. So in this portfolio, I am only just adding this to text my name and about my portfolio. So now we will change the color of this header. So select the column icon here and come to styles, click on styles and select the background type. And we will add a color here. Before adding the color, we will uh, copy this code, copy this color code by right clicking copy and paste it to our this section. Click on styles, background type, color, paste it here like this. And now change the color of text. So it will looks. And we will make some changes in typos. Like this. Uh, okay, so I think I should. Okay, which font families will be better for this? Uh, this looks pretty good. So what I'll do now, I will copy this text and I will paste it in my website. Come to content and paste here like this. Also showcasing my work and insights on my YouTube channel. So here at the end, you can write visit, and in that we will add a link of our portfolio. How? Select the text you want to add a link. First, select the text you want to add a link in it, and select the text first and click on insert a link like this. And now here you can add a link. So first I will go to my YouTube channel and I will copy this URL, and after that insert this URL in at this website, at this insert link section, and click on apply. So now it has a color black. So you can also make some changes like here is the option for link options, and here you can click on open a new tab or most of the other things. And now click on update. Uh, Click on update and let's check our portfolio website, how it looks. Then you finish the page, and now whenever you will click on this visit section. So it will redirect it to my YouTube channel. So subscribe it too if you like this. Now, so you can also add up here some of the icons here. With now click on Windows key plus dot to open this section, and here you have a arrow where you can use this, where this type of tagging. Okay, I think we have to update it and refresh the page. So if you want to add this type of icon, then you can uh, use a shortcut key, which is Windows plus dot. Click on Windows key and a dot key. So we have almost completed our website. Okay, so now we have completed almost our website. Now what we'll do, we will log into our WordPress dashboard. Come to your WordPress dashboard. Click on this back button, and after that click on exit to exit this Elementor editor, and then we will install a plugin so that when we scroll up, then it will showcase a button here to redirect to to the top section of our portfolio website. So first come to your WordPress and then click on plugins. Then you have to click on add new, and now search for scroll up, search for scroll up, and here you will find a WP front scroll top plugin. Install it and activate. Now you will find a scroll up button here. Now you will be directed to this page. So first what you have to do, enable it and scroll up text, then size, button style, image, action, and here are the different types of buttons you can use. Click on save changes by editing this. Don't forget to take this first one, enable. So after it will be, this will show up in your website. Now whenever I scroll down, it will show me a button to back my to the top section of my portfolio website. So we can click on, and actually we can come to the top section of our portfolio website. So whenever you will scroll down, it will look like this. So now we have all completed our portfolio website. Still you can make some changes or edit your website as you want, and do your creativity and create other sections also if you want that which are needed in your portfolio website. So now we have ended up with a code here. So I think you have enjoyed and learned much more about the basic WordPress development codes, and you have successfully completed your portfolio website. So meet you in the next course, and till then, keep learning.